Since the Taliban regime took control of Afghanistan, blasts and attacks have become a regular affair, with another recent incident injuring 2 children in Kabul. The blast took place in Kambar Square of Police District 5 in Kabul city. Tolo News tweeted. Quoting the Ministry of Interior, the 2 children were wounded due to the improvised explosive device blast, local media said. In an explosion that took place back in March, at least 4 children had lost their lives in a rocket explosion in Kandahar province's Shah Walikot district. Post the re-rise of the Taliban, the war-ravaged nation has only witnessed rockets and missiles. No group has claimed responsibility for the attack.